In this video, I'd like to discuss vehicle wraps in Sirius Control. If we open up Control, on the main default Quick Products bar, you'll see a Vehicles product. If we select that product, the first thing it's going to want to know is what type of vehicle we're adding, and then a vehicle itself. Now, based off of this vehicle, and this vehicle can be added with all of its different sizes, sides, and options. From here, or they can be manually if they're changed. I could change it from here if need be. In the vehicle details, we have vehicle colors, plate, VIN, mileage, material and lot for the vinyl materials, if need be for warranty information. Once we have the car selected that we want, we can go in and say we're going to put some digital printing on that. Now, since we've added the digital print, it automatically opens up our template. You may have different templates for different things, for different qualities of materials, things of that nature. The printer is defaulting, the resolution is defaulting, so is the vinyl at this point. This may be whatever you currently use for your custom wraps. Then what locations we are going to be wrapping. If I hit the full button, it's going to select all the locations it has for its standard function. Now, I could just select the windows that I want. I could say just the driver's side. I could even overwrite the sizes if it wasn't covering the entire door for some reason, etc. Or just the ones that you need. Now, on the right side, you'll see that we have an option between role and area under total usage. Area is combining all of the areas together to give you a total square footage and then a scrap factor above that if you wanted to add it, and it will add in a percentage of waste. If you apply to the role function, this is then going to look at each one of these as a separate print, laying it out on the roll to its best ability. So in this case, if I go into the eye, you will see how it lays out. It's only one image, so it's one by one, total panels, etc. So it's calculating scrap area for each panel at this time and including that in the overall material usage, compared to the area, which is just taking the area and putting in a percentage difference. Now, outside of digital wrap, it's possible that you're putting a digital print on something and then you're adding in a cut vinyl decal as well. So if I'm adding a decal to maybe the roof, I'm just going to put in my information as well as the roof and what colors are being applied to that roof. The window perf works just like digital wrap, other than it is looking at the alternate locations. Implementers can help you define what is best for your company as far as which processes will be needed. I may have to laminate those prints or install those prints. Now, there are certain things that are happening as we're doing this information. If we go into install, it is keeping a running count of the square footage that has been applied to this wrap so far. You can base your install on that square footage if you'd like to define it as a standard as how many square feet an hour, or you can just type in however much install time you believe it is required. When this prints, it will print out the vehicle and the subproducts that are being applied to that vehicle. If you'd like to get any further information or detail, please watch our other videos or contact serious implementation department. Thank you.